the market that's moving at billions of dollars per hour. Hello and welcome to today's Daily Blitz. Now in a previous video, we spoke about the upcoming Bitcoin halvening, where, weather permitting, on May the 12th, we will see a halvening in the blockchain reward, which miners receive for securing and processing Bitcoin transactions. In today's video, I'd like to look a little closer under the bonnet of the Bitcoin blockchain, because there's been some very interesting stuff that's going on in the last week. So on your screen there, you can see the Bitcoin price at the time of this video production, and the Bitcoin price is illustrated with the green and red candles, while those blue bars on the bottom are representative of how much Bitcoin is being transacted per hour in dollars. So those are Bitcoin transactions that are taking place within the blockchain, but with the Bitcoin price translated through to dollars. And as you can see, there have been some tremendous transfers of value through the Bitcoin network over the past week. So it used to be really rare to see $1 billion worth of Bitcoin be transacted. However, over the past week, this has really become almost common. And this makes me think that something is going on. What that thing is, well, that's what we need to speculate over. So on aggregate over the last week, there have been £16,393,000,000 worth of value that have been transacted using Bitcoin. So who is it that actually wants all of this Bitcoin all of a sudden? Who is really doing all of these transactions that have caused the volume to spike in the way that it has? And there are various theories for this. So, it could be that there's a massive money laundering operation going on, and somebody is moving vast quantities of Bitcoin around. Or this could be capital flight from China, where wealthy Chinese are using Bitcoin and using coin join and various coin tumbling operations to anonymize their transactions and flush their capital out of the country. Or I would like to tender a more optimistic idea as to what might actually be going on. So over the last few years, there have been various attempts at creating an investment product that would allow regulated and mainstream institutional investors to get access to the Bitcoin price. Now, this has come about through various custodians, various fiduciaries who've tried to create these kind of products. So interestingly, I actually attended an event in mid-January where somebody within the mainstream financial world was creating an exchange-traded product that would allow mainstream investors to buy Bitcoin by effectively just owning shares in that product. And it may well be that it's one of these products that suddenly needs an awful lot of Bitcoin in size, and that's why it's sucking up all of these billions of Bitcoin. It may also be somebody who has seen the halvening coming ahead of time and are simply hoovering up as much Bitcoin as they can just to make the most of it, because they believe that the halvening will result in a significant increase in price. But if there's anything to take from this information, I would say that it is very representative of the increasing maturity of Bitcoin and the entire crypto space as a whole. These billion-dollar transactions that used to only happen once in a blue moon, as you can see, are becoming more and more common. And it's representative that the Bitcoin blockchain and using Bitcoin as a means of value transfer is becoming more and more accepted. Of course, I can't tell you who these individuals are who need these billions of dollars of Bitcoin, and we can only speculate on their identity. But if you have any ideas, do let us know in the comments down below. But that's all for this week. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell down below, and we'll see you in the next one.